The Automotor Bugatti, also known as the Bugatti Autorail or Wagon Rapide, was a high-speed railcar developed by Bugatti in the early 1930s. It was one of the first modern high-speed trains, reaching speeds that were remarkable for its time. By the early 1930s, European rail companies sought faster trains to compete with growing road traffic. Bugatti, primarily an automobile manufacturer, entered the railway sector in 1932. The French state railway company Chemin de Fer de l'État ordered a new high-speed railcar, leading Ettore Bugatti to design the Wagon Rapide, completed in 1933. The first prototype had 4 Bugatti Royale engines, each an 8-cylinder, 12,750 cubic centimeters unit, producing 200 horsepower. Combined, they generated 800 horsepower, enabling the railcar to reach 172 kilometers per hour during test runs. The design was highly aerodynamic, featuring a streamlined body and an elevated driver's cabin in the middle. The Automotor Bugatti entered service on the Paris-Deauville route, averaging 116 kilometers per hour, a record at the time. It was also used on routes from Paris to Le Mans, Lyon, Vichy, Marseille, and Nice. In 1934, one unit reached 192 kilometers per hour between Le Mans and Conneray. The train's braking system, with drum brakes on all 16 wheels, allowed for a 150 kilometers per hour stop in just 600 meters. Bugatti's railcars became symbols of speed and luxury. Large, comfortable seats, panoramic windows, and even a buffet service made the journey pleasant. Advertisements emphasized their modernity, often featuring the Bugatti racehorse emblem. Between 1933 and 1958, 88 units were built in different versions. The original 4-engine model consumed too much fuel, leading to the introduction of the Wagon Léger in 1935, with only 2 engines and lower fuel consumption. The double version, introduced in 1934, featured a 2-car configuration with a flexible connection. The triple, introduced in 1936, had 3 cars, 144 seats, and additional driving positions for better visibility. Despite their success, Bugatti railcars were expensive to maintain and inefficient compared to newer diesel-electric trains. The French National Railway Company, which took over all Bugatti railcars in 1938, retired them gradually. By 1958, all were out of service. Only one Automotor Bugatti survived, the XB1008, originally delivered in 1935 as ZY24408. It was used as a signal test vehicle until 1970. In 1981, it was restored and is now exhibited at the Cité du Train Museum in Mulhouse, France. The Automotor Bugatti was an engineering marvel, setting speed records and introducing new rail technology. Though short-lived, it remains a symbol of innovation, speed, and luxury in railway history.